Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer the question: which of the following areas are equal? And we need to answer why. So now I will show you how to answer. We have three graphs in here. So we have this equation, and this equation. So we want to find which one area are equal. To do about this one, we need to set up about the integration in here. So for the first one, we see that they start at number 0 and they stop at number 1. So we have the integration from 0 to number 1, and we have e to the power of the square root of s ds. The second one, that is from 0 to number 1, and we have 2s e to the power of s ds. And the next one, we have the integration from 0 to b over 2. And we put this one going here. Now we need to find this integration. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square in here, because I want to cancel about the square root, and we have ds equals to 2u du, because we do first derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0 when s equals to number 1. So number 1, that is from here, and I will put number 1 going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. And now we need to change this integration. So number 0 we keep the same, number 1 we keep the same. U square we put in here, the square root of u square we have u. The s, that is from here, so we change by 2u du. And if we look carefully about this one, this is same with this one, because u du or s ds, they have the same. So that means this one equals to this one. Now let's go to the next one in here. So we know that sine 2x, that is about 2 sine x cosine x. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to cosine x dx. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to number 0 when s equals to b over 2. So I will put b over 2 gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. And now we need to change this one. Number 0 we keep the same. B over 2 we change by number 1. Sin x we change by u. Similar for this one. Cosine x dx we change by du. And we see that this one is similar for 2s e to the power of x dx. So that means this one is similar for this integration. So we can explain that all of them in here, they have same area. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.